Plans with new videos and podcasts weekly. Join our Patreon at patreon.com/Perspective Plans for exclusive videos and more. Visit perspectiveplans.com for all of your planner and stationery needs. Only at Perspective Plans, helping you plan for what's to come. Hello everyone, and welcome to Perspective Plans. In today's episode, we're going to be planning in our Every Minute Counts planner, the hourly and dashboard planner, colorful edition for the month of August. So let's begin. This planner is available, of course, at Perspective Plans as well as in print form at Amazon. Now available. And yeah, let's get on into the plan. A plan is scheduled. A schedule is when. It takes both a plan and a schedule to get things done. Peter Turk's really good quote. So much to do for the month of August. We're like right on the cusp of fall, which is probably my favorite freaking season. Halloweeny, ready for pie, and really delicious recipes and soup season, cute outfits with boots. It's my time to shine. But yes, so much to do. And yeah, so I have some of these like summary stickers that I didn't use for last month. We're just going to use them here as well, because who's going to stop me? Because this sticker book is falling apart. Okay. And she can go here. Alright, so let's see what we can find to decorate our quote page. And then we'll do our monthly plan page. Ooh, let's use this. It's the weekend. I'll just put it on a random second. No, I'll put it on a 30th instead. There we go. Alright, let's see what else we can find. Oh, that's cute. But see, these are so wide. I don't know what the heck to do with them. And they're a bit tall. So I can also use these for when I'm doing my monthly. I guess we can just use some of these as well. Be happy, enjoy life, because you should. Yeah, and this one here says blessed, thankful, and then 4th of July. I guess we'll just do the together ones. Alright, let's see what else I can grab. They can go there. Oop. Almost ripped my sticker. And this one here can go this moment, friends, and then get it done. Okay, what else am I using? Where is my whiteout? I just had my whiteouts. Where'd it go? Oh man. There it is. Alright, so the plan. Get her done. Okay. To do. And this just says, ugh. Because why not? And this is everything I need to record and edit. And these are scripts. And then we need to work on February for Q1 scripts. Oh, March. I almost forgot what was after February. And then Q1 scripts, April. Come on. And then Q1 scripts, May. All right, and then for record and edit, let me look at my last page and cheat a little bit. Yeah, so August and September. So I know I didn't finish September. So I'll write September script videos. October script videos. And then August. And then September monthly planner videos, which are the ones you're watching now. And then our scripted videos are on our main channel. Check it out, because I make videos about productivity. And as far as dates to remember, we're gonna always have August 20th. Well, the 20th of every month, which is LaTap, sales tax. And that's when I have to pay my sales tax to the state of Louisiana when someone purchases something from perspectiveplans.com and shops my small business. Thanks in advance. But yeah, the government always needs their cut. And they want it every month on the same day. Alright, so summer vibes. I feel like I had a really good summer. It's unfortunate that it's already coming to an end, but that's okay. And then I have my friend's birthday. She's turning 30. Super exciting. And I'm glad to be invited. Hopefully I can hurry up and find her a gift. And I don't want to buy a very predictable gift. But, you know, how things happen. Alright, so... Then I have a dinner date with Aaron. I'm not exactly sure where we're eating, but I'm open to it. And he's paying, so I am happy that I can put my wallet away. Alright, then we have therapy at 3. Oh, that sticker looks a little gray. It is old, but you know, that's life. And then we have our leadership team meeting. Grown Up Gamers League. And this again is our board game night, and it's at 6 p.m. Sometimes the board game nights can almost last until 10 because they can get pretty heated, which I enjoy. I do love a good game. But sometimes you just don't have time for it, which is very honest. So hopefully this won't last forever. And then I have coffee and ketchup with my friend Alyssa. Oh my God, a bump. And then, oh Lord, we can add this here to remind me to change our air filters and air fresheners. Alright, so this one here says eat, drink, and relax. A great reminder. Let's see if I have any more decorative. Oh, I could have used some of these. That's fine. There's always next summer. Oh, I forgot to read this. It takes as much energy to wish as it does to plan. Eleanor Roosevelt. Great quote. Hopefully I can find some really good stickers to finish out this page. So, and this says, love my girls, and today, just to give a pop of color to the page. Hopefully I can find something for the side column. I'm not having the best luck. Oh dear. Okay. So I'm not seeing anything over there in my wrongs. Maybe I'll find something here. This is very swirly font. So it says, shine, sparkle, and leave a little magic to bless all the world around you. Okay, I love that. And this one says, become what inspires you. Hopefully I can find something that can go in these 4 empty boxes. Alright, let's see. Maybe this. We're not doing that. Let's see. Just some greenery. I think that's a pretty good way to fill up that empty space. But yeah, I think that's that. Very pretty and simple. Thanks so much for planning with me today, and I'll see you in the very next one. Remember to keep planning for what's to come, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great one. Bye. I just want to take a moment to thank our patrons and channel members. This episode would not be possible without your support. Thank you. And if you would like to support the show, visit patreon.com/perspective plans today. Thank you so much for stopping by and pressing play. I truly appreciate it. Let me know down below in the comments or your podcast review what tip you'll be using. Keep planning for what's to come, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.